So look, in top, a friend that will meet us. Ari, are you? AJ, get out! You're done!
Hello everyone, I'm Rixa Colleen Soriano from 11 ABM Ford of the Gryffindor House. Today I will be having a movie review about Unfriended Dark Web, a 2018 crime film directed by Stephen Susco. Before we proceed to our main goal, let us first know the characters and have a short description about the movie. The characters in the movie are Matthias, Serena, Nari, Damon, AJ, Amaya, Lex, Erica Dunn, Kelly, Sharon the Fourth, and other Sharons. In the movie Unfriended Dark Web, everything begins when Matthias uses the laptop he found to video call and play with his friends. As time passes by, the group discovers that the laptop is connected to a dark web. Later on, Matthias and his friends find a mysterious folder that contains disturbing videos of people that are in danger. They soon realize that they are being watched by cybercriminals. After that, he receives a message threatening and saying that if anyone from his friends disconnects or contacts the police, they'll kill them one by one. It was revealed that the hackers deliberately framed Matthias, and the entire thing that had happened to him and his friends was broadcast live on the dark web. Let us now move on to the questions and elaboration. First, are there any trends in ICT that are tackled in the film? If yes, please elaborate. There are trends in ICT that are tackled in the film, and those are convergence, social media, and assistive media. In convergence, Matthias opens different applications while communicating with his friends, girlfriend, and the hacker using only one device, which is the laptop. In social media, Matthias used Facebook to communicate with the hacker or the cybercriminal, which is an advantage for the hackers to get information and track them easily. He also uses Skype to communicate with his friends. Lastly is assistive media, where Matthias used the Papaya app that translates spoken words into a sign language that allows Amaya to understand what Matthias wanted to tell despite her hearing disability. Are there any threats that are shown in the film? If yes, please elaborate. The threats shown in the film are spyware and farming. Spyware, where the hackers see Matthias and his friends' activities through their webcams. Farming is where Matthias is redirected to a hidden dark web in the laptop without knowing that it is owned or connected to cybercriminals. And lastly, what are some lessons you've learned in this film? The lessons that I have learned in this film are that we should never take someone else's belongings, be mindful enough to not give any personal or private information to anyone online, think carefully before opening links or files that may lead cybercriminals to get into your device, and lastly, we should be cautious and responsible in using technology.